Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I will be showing you how to install a free SSL certificate on your website. So SSL certificate stands for Secure Sockets Layer. So it's good for every website or blog to have an SS certificate installed, which gives its visitor or user an assurance that this website or blog is safe to work on or navigate without being afraid of any of their information being open or access to the public. So if today is your first time on visiting my channel at Bizyjoe.com, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. So as you can see, we are on Bizyjoe technology. We offer some services such as web design, app design, SMM, graphic design, and so on. So we have so many great content on our website, ranging from how to get Google AdSense. Then we have how to write a blog post. We have so many useful content, how to start a blog, how to sign up on Jingo, and so on. On our playlist, you can see we have it's coming up. So we have a whole lot of things on our playlist. We have Canva tutorial if you want to learn Canva, you want to learn graphic design. We have XCO, we have YouTube, then bloggers tutorial, then we have blogging tutorial. So we have a whole lot of content here that can help you in one way or the other in your business and how to make money online. So let's move over to how to install an SSL certificate. So for example, this website now is a subdomain store.bizyjoe.com. So it's also my website. You can patronize us by ordering any watch on this website. Is a store you can order any of your favorite watch here and it will be delivered at your doorstep anywhere in the world. So as you can see, this website is not secured. So I'll be installing an SS certification on this website. So in order to do that, I'll be making use of 0SSL.com. 0SSL is a great SSL certification company, very notable. As you can see, they have so many big brands using their certification. So, but as I said, it's going to be a free certification. So you're not going to pay for anything. But if you want to pay for, then you can go to pricing and see how much they charge. So if you want to do that, let's get started. So, but there are so many ways through which you can do this. You can do this through your hosting provider, or you can do this through WordPress. There is a plugin for this. So but I decided to use this because it is more better and easy to connect using 0SSL certification. So let me go and copy. They say copy the primary domain, but what I have here is a subdomain. So let me copy the primary domain. So bizyjoe.com is the primary domain for this. So I'll just copy it, paste it. So this okay. So this is the primary domain. So go to next. So it's coming up, it's loading. So it's prompting us to sign up. So you just sign up if you don't have account with them. So I don't have account with them. I'm just doing it for the first time. So let me create an account. So let me use Gmail. Okay, Joseph 95 at gmail.com. Gmail.com. So my password, let me use that's my password. Okay, there must be number, there must be uppercase. Okay, okay, I think I've made the criteria. So the next, click on next. So okay, it's coming up. Okay, I don't need this. This is for pro. If you need a wide card, you're going to pay for it. So let me just add only this domain. Then there is no add domain. If you want to add an domain, then you need to pay. You need to pay for that. But instead of doing that, instead of doing that, you can create another account and add another domain if you have another domain. So let me go to next. So I'm going for 90 days. I'm going for 90 days. So next. So let me just leave this like this. Okay, so you select your free plan. Just select your free plan. As you can see, we have they'll give us 90 days certification. Then if you want to go for a pro, you can pay for $10 per month, and they will give you a 1 year access, a 1 year certification. So let me click next. This next. So the verification process, we have three verification methods. So you can verify either by email verification, DNS verification, and or HTTP file upload. So for me, I will be going with HTTP file upload. So these are the steps. So for email verification, they will just email their verification code to the email. So, but I want to use this HTTP verification. So the first thing to do is to download your auth file using the following link. So let me click on the link to download it. So after that, you upload the auth file to your HTTP server under well known slash AP. So this is our file. It's already been downloaded. So I will go to my back end. So I'll go to my back end. So it's opening. So I'll go to file. Let me go to file. So the file, let me go to store.bizyjoe.com. Store.bizyjoe.com. This is store.bizyjoe.com. So it has opened. So this is the root folder for store. As you can see, this is the root folder store.bizyjoe.com. So I need to create a file. I need to create a file with well known. So okay, I need to create a file. See the directory well known. So I need to first of all create a dot well known. So I'll just copy this, copy, then I'll go to my file, then I'll create a file with well known. So I'll create this file. Okay, as you can see, error is home busy stuff exists. Okay, this already exists. So we already have a well known file here. So I'll just open it. So also be checking the directory. So we have PKI validation. So let's go back. So we have PKI validation. So we just open this. Let's open it. So as you can see, so let's upload our. They say we should upload the downloaded document on this particular file. So let's upload this for one. So we go back, then we click on upload, then we go to download. So let's upload this file. Okay, so let's go to download. So then my system is very slow. It's coming. Okay, this is the file I want to upload, this particular file. So we open it. So it's coming up. It is okay, it's coming up. Okay, it says road. So the next thing to do is to go back. So we have actually uploaded the file. So let's also confirm. Let's confirm that the file is already there. So as you can see, we have the file here. We have the file. So what you need to do is just to go back and verify. Make sure your file is available under the following link. So the file is there. So the next is to click on continue. So let's click on next. So let's click on verify domain. So it's verifying now. Okay, as you can see, congrats, your domain has been verified. This means that our system is issuing your certificate at the moment. This page will refresh automatically every few seconds. So we are completed 50% of our stuff. So your certificate has been issued and is ready to be installed. To continue, please follow the step below. So we have actually achieved 3%. So the next thing is to download our certificate. So the format to use is a zip file. So let's go to next, then download the certificate. So let's click on check. Then let's download the certificate first. Let's download this. Then we have downloaded our certificate. So let's go to download. So this is our downloaded document. So what you need to do is just to click on extract it. So you open it. So you see your certificates here. Okay, I'll press OK. Then my file has been extracted. So the next thing is to open it. So this is our certificate. So in order to do this, let me go back to my cPanel. In order to install the certificate on our system, so you can go to security. So we go to security, click on SSL/TLS. So let's click on that. So it's coming up. So it has opened. So once it's open, so we go to manage SSL certifications. So we go to manage SSL certifications. So you click on that. Okay, so what I need to do is also select the domain name. So the domain name in question is store.bizyjoe.com. So I'll go back to my this, then I will so this CA bundle. Okay, so this what you're looking for. So but this now the certificate actually this is CTR. So this is CTR, that's the first thing to open. So let me just open the certificate. Let me open with so begin this I copy everything, Control A, Control C. So we paste, then copy the private key. So let's go to this private key is still is the open with open with, let's still open it with our, let's go with word paint. Okay, word pad. Okay, this private key, Control A, Control C. So the last thing to copy is the certificate authority bundle. So we still go back, certificate authority bundle. So let me open with WordPad. So this certificate authority bundle. So Control A, Control C. So I will still do that. So we have actually put in our certification. So the next thing to do is to click on install. So it will start installing. You have successfully updated the website certificate. SSL certificate is now active and accessible via HTTP on this domain. So let's check the domain now. So let me can open this domain and check whether the SSL certificate is working. So wow, as you can see, it's actually working. So this is working. So it's now secured. This is the previous site. As you can see, it's not secured. So after installing our SS certificate, as you can see, it's now secured. So that's good. Another way to check is to check installation. So you can click here to check whether the website is installed. As you can see, downloaded, installed, and completed. So as you can see, this is how you can install a free SSL certification on your website. If you find anybody on this video, please do well to share it with your friends and well wishers, and do well to leave a comment on the comment section, and subscribe to our channel at bizyjoe.com. Thanks for watching this video.